Today we discuss the nitrogen cycle. In the atmospheric nitrogen, in the atmosphere there is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and rest of 1% is another gases. We living things, plants and animals, do not take directly nitrogen from the atmosphere. Atmospheric nitrogen is taken by the bacteria and blue-green algae. The bacteria and blue-green algae is take nitrogen to convert into nitrate. In the leguminous plants, in the roots of the leguminous plants having the nodules, in which rhizobium like bacteria are lying, they take the nitrogen from the atmosphere, change into nitrate, and this process, this phenomenon is called nitrogen fixation. Bacteria in turn fix nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds, and these nitrogenous compounds are mixed in the soil, compounds of the nitrogen soil, and this is the cycle of the one-sided. And this nitrogen is mixed in the soil, and from the soil plants take from the through the roots and uptaken by the plants. When the animals eat plants, that nitrates, which is in the form of proteins, because nitrates are converted into the amino acids converted into the proteins, and that proteins is taken by the animals eat plants. When the plants and animals died, their death in any case, then the bacteria are excreted, then decay that plants and animals, and that nitrogen is another mix in the soil. This is the short cycle in which the recycle with the compounds of nitrogen in the soil. On one side you can see that process when the lightning fix nitrogen. Why lightning fix nitrogen? In the rainy season, when lightning in the sky, the lightning creates the electrical charge, and electrical charge break down the nitrogen chemical reaction, chemical bond, because nitrogen N2 is tightly bound with the covalent bond, and electrical charge they break down the nitrogen N2 into anion, and anion is react with oxygen to form the nitrogen dioxide, and that nitrogen dioxide is fall through the rainwater and mix in the soil, and that nitrogen dioxide mix in the soil and uptaken by the plants, and this is the another process which the nitrogen is mixed in the soil. And when the death and accretions of the plants and animals, the compounds of nitrogen in the soil, and some bacteria are lying in the soil, they convert nitrogen into nitrogen gas, nitrate into nitrogen gas. Bacteria turn compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen, and that nitrogen gas is mixed in the atmospheric, and same 78% nitrogen is lying in the atmosphere. This is the nitrogen cycle complete. Dear students, please draw the cycle of the nitrogen cycle. Thank you for all.